Hi students, application of matrices and determinants, exercise 1.1, fifth sum. If A equal to 1 by 9, one 3 by 3 matrix given, prove that A inverse equal to A transpose. First we want to find A transpose 1 by 9. A transpose means row change to column, row change to column, next row change to column, next row change to column. Next find A transpose. A transpose. See that one A, like this. A transpose, like this. 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 81. Now two matrices using row by column matrix multiplication. Row by column matrix multiplication. Minus 8 into minus 8. 64, 1 into 1, 1, 4 into 4, 16. Next, same row, next column. Minus 8 into 4, minus 32, 1 into 4, 4, 4 into 7, 28. Next, same row, next column, minus 8, 1 into minus 8, minus 8, 4 into 4, 16. Next take second row, first column, multiply. Second row, second column, multiply. Second row, third column, multiply. Next take the third row, first column, multiply and write. Third row, second column, multiply and write. Third row, third column, multiply and write. Simplify. So one is 1 by 81, value equal to 81. Here minus 32 plus 32, 0. Minus 16 plus 16, 0. Here minus 32 plus 32, 0. Value is 81. Here 32 minus 32, 0. Minus 16 plus 16, 0. 32 minus 32, 0. 81. Here 1 divided by 81, go to inside, cancel, we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 equal to identity matrix simply denoted by I. Similarly, here A transpose equal to we get I. Similarly, A transpose A equal to I. Therefore, A transpose A equal to I. This is the formula of orthogonal. This is the formula of orthogonal. Inverse definition already you know. A inverse A equal to I. A inverse A equal to I. See this 2 A transpose equal to A inverse. That is, prove that A inverse equal to A transpose. Hence proved A inverse equal to A transpose. Next see the sixth sum. If A equal to 2 by 2 matrix given, verify that A at GA A equal to mod A I2. First we want to find mod A. Modulus of 8 minus 4 minus 5 3. Simplify. 8 3s are 24. Here plus 20 formula minus 20 equal to 4. At GA already you know. At GA change the numbers. Change the place. 8 3. Change the place 3 8. Here change the sign. Change the sign 4 5 at GA. Next multiplication of A into at GA. A equal to its value at GA value. Now using row by column multiplication. Multiply 8 3s are 24 minus 20. 8 4s are 32 minus 32. Here second row first column 15 plus 15 minus 15 plus 15. Next second row, second column, minus 20 plus 24. Simplify. 4 0 0 4. Take 4 common. 4 1 0 0 1. This was a identity matrix 2 by 2. Then put I2. 4 equal to the mod A value equal to 4. Mod A value equal to 4. Then I put mod A I2. Mod A I2. Next find adj A. Adj A value. Similarly, same row by column multiplication, we get 4 0 0 4. 4 common, 1 0 0 1. The 4 value mod A. This one is I2. Mod A I2. See that one. Equation number 1 and equation number 2, these two are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, A into adj A equal to adj A into A equal to mod A I2. Hence proved. Seventh sum. If A equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix given and B equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix given, verify that AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. LHS AB, A matrix, B matrix using row by column minus 3 plus 10. Next first row second column minus 9 plus 4. Second row first column minus 7 plus 25. Second row second column minus 21 plus 10. Simplify. 7 minus 5, 18 minus 11. Find AB whole inverse. Let us AB whole inverse. We want to find inverse mean first take modulus value and find edge value. Modulus value mod AB equal to modulus of that value, simplify, minus 77. Here minus 90, formula minus plus 90 equal to 13, not equal to 0. Edge AB means change the numbers. Here change the sign. AB inverse equal to, the formula is 1 by mod AB adj AB. Mod AB equal to 13, adj AB equal to minus 11, 5, minus 18, 7. Equation number 1. RHS B inverse A inverse. First find B inverse. B inverse, first modulus value B. Mod B equal to minus 1, 2. Multiply minus 2. Here minus 15, formula minus plus 15 equal to 13. Not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Adj B means now change the numbers, change the sign. B inverse equal to 1 by mod B adj B. 1 by mod B value 13, adj B value, right? Next find A inverse. A inverse means similarly first find mod A. Mod A, right? 15 minus 14 value 1. Here also not equal to 0. Adj A, change the numbers and change the sign. A inverse equal to 1 by mod A adj A. 1 by mod A 1 by 1 adj A value, you have to write. Next B inverse A inverse. B inverse value, write this. A inverse value 1 by 1 also 1. Then leave this. 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. About 1 by 13 using row by column matrix multiplication. 10 minus 21 minus 4 plus 9 minus 15 minus 25 plus 7 plus 10 minus 3. Simplify. 1 by 13 minus 11 5 minus 18 7. See the first equation, AB whole inverse equal to value B inverse A inverse equal to, we get the same value. Therefore, from 1 and 2, AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. Hence, proved. Next sum, 8th sum. If RGA value given, here RGA value given, find A. One formula is there, A equal to plus or minus 1 by root of mod RGA, edge of RGA. First we want to find modulus of RGA. Modulus value using first row expansion 2, 24 minus 0. Here minus 4. Second value formula minus plus 4. Here simplify minus 6. Here plus 14 formula minus 14. Plus 2 and leave this 0 minus 24 formula minus plus 24. Here 2 into 24 48, 4 into minus 20, here 2 into 24 48, 48 plus 48 96 minus 80, 96 minus 80 equal to 0. Modulus of RGA equal to 16. Cofactor of RGA. Next we want to find cofactor of RGA. Given RGA, find the cofactor. Already you know. We can easily find using determinant method. Determinant method. Simplify 24 minus 0. Here minus 6. Here plus 14 formula minus 14. Here 0 minus 24 formula plus 24. Here minus 8 plus 0. Here 4 plus 4. Here 2 plus 8 formula minus 8. Here minus 28 minus 24 minus 14 plus 6, 24 minus 12. Here plus 12 formula minus 12. Simplify 24 minus 20 plus 20, 24 minus 8 plus 8, 8 minus 8, here 1 minus plus 8, 4, here 8, here 1 minus, then plus 8, here 12. Edge of RGA. Now this one is a cofactor of RGA. Next, edge of RGA means, now transpose. Take transpose. Row change to column. Row change to column. Row change to column. We get edge of RGA. A equal to plus or minus 1 by root of modulus of RGA, edge RGA. Root of modulus of edge RGA equal to modulus of RGA equal to 16. We have found, that is 1 by root 16 edge RGA value, right? Plus or minus, see that one, here 4 common in all the numbers, but 4 taken out. Here root 16 value 4, cancel, simplify 6, 2, 1, 5, 2, 2, 6, 2, 3. Therefore, A equal to plus or minus, A equal to plus or minus 621, 522, 623. We get the answer. Thank you, students.